I have something here to show you, and this is the M4 with its all... Hi guys, and welcome back to Archie Hamilton Racing and to another video where today, well, you join me in my Golf R, my Mark 8 Golf R, but that is not the subject of today's one. My BMW M4, it ain't taken me long and we've already gone and wrapped it. Mad. Wait to see what this looks like because it's gonna be crazy, and the guys have done an amazing job. The M4 looks good gloss, and then they started sending me pictures of different cars that are in a certain colour, and I thought, do I change it up or do I not? And then the opportunity came up to do it, so I took it with both hands and we have done it. In terms of wrapping, I'm not going to be wrapping the Golf R anytime soon, just the colour which came up for the M4. I just thought that could look really, really good, and kind of just jumped at it, and last minute we just randomly just went and got it done. The M4 is actually due, it is running in service as well soon. This looks insane, and well, I hope you like it. I know a lot of you actually aren't a fan of my M4, but you will like this one, I'm sure, in terms of how it looks now. So let's go and enjoy. And I've just arrived at Prestige Tints. These are the guys that have been legends and have wrapped my BMW M4, and this is really strange because it's so last minute, and I cannot wait for you to see this car. Quickly, before you see the car, this video has kindly been sponsored by Surfshark VPN. Surfshark are very good friends of the channel, and if you didn't realise, they are a virtual private network. Surfshark will keep your private information safe, whether that's your messages, your videos, your images. So during lockdown, I pretty much completed Netflix, watched absolutely everything, and ran out of stuff to watch. But with Surfshark, what I did is I changed the location I was in, and it basically allowed me to watch so many different more variants of Netflix. It's so good. And let's say I'm abroad and I want to watch something like BBC iPlayer, because there's lots of series I watch on there, documentaries, etc. All I do is I change the location back to United Kingdom, and there we go. I can watch it all. And I love giving you guys a discount, and you will get 83% off Surfshark VPN when you sign up using my link and my code, and also a 3 months extra for free. What I'm going to do, I'm going to leave Surfshark's details in the pinned comment and also in the description. Get cracking. Anyway, it's time to show you my M4 wrap. I have something here to show you, and this is the M4 with its all new wrap. But I'm going to play this one to music because it's just that flipping good. 3, 2, 1. Okay. Flipping. Wow. That looks absolutely insane. Anyway, let's have a little walk around it because I'm lost for words. Absolutely amazing. Here we go. And now it looks completely different. Welcome to my BMW M4 competition, which is now in satin black. And this is a game changer. No, this is not PPF. This is a wrap. We decided we wanted to get that really nice wet finish on the satin, and to do that, it needed to be a wrap instead of PPF on that one. So basically, that's what we did, and it has worked so well. Obviously, you may have seen before a few of the things that we did, and that was the rear window here. We smoked that out. We smoked the rear window here out, and things like that. So that's what we did the first. And obviously the satin black wheels. These wheels are not stock satin black. They came very sort of, well, you know, diamond cut kind of thing. And we made them satin black, and that is a complete game changer. When you wrap a car, I've said it before, it makes you fall in love with it all over again, and that is what this has done, and it is, like I said, a complete and utter game changer. When we have a look at the front, we can have a look at the car. Wow. come on, now it just is ridiculous. But we have a front plate. I did say that there was going to be a front plate on this car eventually. The guys at Bespoke Plates kindly sent me a front plate. It's smaller. Just all we've done is we've got rid of the bracket, and that is basically, it actually does break up the grille a little bit. Online, some of you say you prefer it because it breaks up that front grille. I personally don't prefer it, but you know, rules are the rules. I'm not going to be breaking the law. In England, you have to have a front number plate. If you don't, you get a £100 fine, you get a warning, do it again, you get points on your license, not worth it. And it's just, you're asking to get pulled over at that point. But when you look at the car from this angle, this for me is the angle where this car just looks the best. It just has so much presence, and look at it sat there. Oh yes, so with these lights and stuff, it does look cool. But let me show you the finish, because that's one thing with wraps. People always ask, is it as good as paint? Is it a good job? And it is a really, really nice job. The guys here at Prestige have done an amazing job. I'll show you around sort of the edges. It's just perfect. And as you can see, it is absolutely bang, bang on. Everywhere you look, the edges are just perfect. These were in plastic, and some people in the comment section are going to completely shoot me down because basically this is in gloss, and what we've done is we have put them in a carbon fibre wrap. And when I last did this, which was probably a couple of years ago on my Corvette, 3 years ago, you cannot put fake carbon on it, you cannot do this, you cannot do that. The reason we've done that is a very, very simple reason, and that is they come plastic, and it doesn't make any sense, and I can't find yet the carbon fibre one. When the carbon fibre parts come out, and there will be a full carbon fibre kit on this car, the moment I can get it, then that will be changed as well. We're going to do a front splitter when the moment we can. We're going to do side skirts. So walk around to this way. I just keep looking at the finish. It is completely obscene. Completely obscene. Let's walk away to this point, because I'm going to show you that we've not done the door shuts because I don't keep cars long enough, really, let's be honest. Well, carbon fibre seats are good, but I don't keep cars long enough to, you know, to do door shuts and stuff, and I take them off usually before I sell them. So door shuts on a black car, satin black, just leave that. And yeah, like you see, the job has been absolutely spot on. We left the calipers red, by the way. We were going to change them, we're just going to leave them for now. Let's go to the back, because the back is where, again, it changes the game. Here we go. Look at the back of that. The back of the car now just has so much more presence. It actually shows you so much. You know what I really like about a wrap is it absolutely shows the lines of the car so well. So now all these lines, which you probably wouldn't actually see very much when it was gloss, you can now see that on camera. Now that looks absolutely amazing, and you can see that that is just completely a game changer. So basically the lines are completely different, and it just works so well now. Like, it just works so well. Now with this carbon, it actually makes the carbon look even better as well. So there we go. That is just insane, because the satin there with the carbon there, with this carbon everywhere, because this car does have carbon every single way you look. You've got one carbon lip there, you've got carbon on the diffuser, you've got the carbon fibre roof, which is there, obviously the carbon fibre mirrors. This of not real carbon, but that works well with all the rest of it. And then, yeah, you get everything else. So what we're going to do, you're going to see this outside as well, because it does look insane. But hang on a minute. Just going to quickly go and admire it from this side again, because that's now a completely different car. That is a completely different car to before. And it's absolutely mind-blowing. And the job they've done is amazing. And I think that is one thing, is that when you want a car just to be perfect, and I dropped the car off 2 days ago. They sent me videos as they were doing the job, which I love that. Like, you know, when you get a WhatsApp and it's your car getting done. Then, well, first of all, they just showed a few different things. Then, obviously showing the job happening. And then 2 days later, sent me a message, your car's done, come pick it up. I was like, what? 2 days? Insane. So these guys highly recommend it. They're based in Hounslow. They're lovely people, welcoming, and I love that. what we're going to do now, the next time you're going to see this, we're going to get it in the light. So I'm going to be driving in it, and we're going to see it outside very shortly. And I've just jumped out of the BMW M4, just been having my first drive in it with its all new look. It is just chucking it down with rain, so I wanted to quickly get this filmed before it absolutely chucks it down, and it is still so clean. But look at it sat there. It is amazing. It's a dream. I love it. That is my daily, and I love it. It just is insane. Completely insane. Let's have a little walk around it, because now look at it sat there, ladies and gentlemen. It is a complete game changer. Now it just is completely different. Smaller plate on the back with the satin. It is just honestly so cool. That satin finish when it's out in the light just really is a complete game changer. I just have no words for that. It is that flipping cool. The front plate does mix it up a little bit at the front, but now it just has so much more presence, doesn't it? It is a completely different animal, honestly. And I know a lot of you guys aren't a massive fan of this, but it is cool. It is really cool. I'm looking forward to doing many miles in it, enjoying it. And now how the car turned up to how it is, it's completely different. And I love modifying things, making them my own, and that's what I love about this channel. We get the chance to do that, and we've really done it with that. And now, well, I love it. Even with the windscreen effect as well. Don't know whether you can see it, but it just has a little cool effect on it as well. We'll go a little bit closer so you can see. There you go, just like that. And now it just has an effect on it. But I'm going to put it away because the next few days, oh, nearly fell over. It is just raining. But, oh, look at it sat there. Come on, it is just a flipping dream. So I love it. I love it. Thank you so much for the support, guys. I hope you like it. Leave your comments down below to what you think to this. I can't believe how it was to how it is now. Just subtle things, a satin wrap, and now it is a complete and utter game changer. So there we go. I can't wait to drive it. I feel like it's a new car. But a massive thank you as well to Prestige Tint for all of their hard work and making an epic job on this. We're going to have to think about what we're going to do next. It don't stop there. It does not stop there. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Leave your comments down below, and I'll see you very soon.